guys, so we're back with another vlog, and today, by the title of this video, we are going to be working on the interior of the Scion Tc. So right now we're actually on our way to the fabric store to pick up more fabric, so thank you guys for coming in. Follow along. I'm in the store looking for the right adhesive glue to put on, but last glue I used was this Gorilla Glue, but it really didn't last that long. So I think I'm gonna try a different one, and I've seen a lot of people recommend like the Max Strength 3M, so I'm probably gonna use this one. Dang! It's $17.
Oh my God!
$17? It's just glue. It's just glue. Anyway, okay, there's max strength and then there's super strength. I don't know which one I would get. Heat and moisture. Okay, because that was the problem the last time that I had with my car. The heat and the cold kept messing up the fabric, so I think that's something that I'll probably get right now is the max strength 3M. I personally strongly believe I will not be getting a whole lot of work done today because it's so many bees and wasps out here.
Look at this dude.
Every time I try to go out and work on my car, bees come out, wasps come out. There's a wasp literally hovering my car right now.
Bruh.
I'm literally afraid to walk back out to my car. I don't know why they're so mean. But anyway, I think I'll survive. Ooh, no, see, they're chasing each other. They're chasing each other. I might just have to do the touch-ups, but oh my God. I actually have some of my panels already done. These are the ones that we did like a while ago, a few months ago, but right now I'm doing touch-ups because I used a different glue that I'm about to use on these. So hopefully, like, there's honestly been no issues with it. It's just been lifting because of the heat, and I guess it's dulled down the Gorilla Glue. But because I got the 3M over there, I think it'll help me differently, and it'll probably have it last a little longer. So yeah. Alright, you guys, we are actually finished. I just finally got done with the other side, and here she is. Alright, now that they're officially done, I just have to wipe off the excess glue and just pack up and go inside. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and all the tools that I use in this tutorial will be linked down below. Alright, see you guys later.